Introducing the world's first pen laser, the smallest diameter laser distance measure. This unique pen-sized device fits neatly into your top pocket and is always ready when you need it. The PREXISO pen laser has a range of up to 32 feet. The ASIC technology provides greater reliability and a small size. Pen laser is powered by two AAA alkaline batteries. It's so easy to use with just one button and a clear and easy-to-read display. Simply press the button to switch the unit on. Position the pen laser to make the measurement. Press the button again to hold the value on the display. To switch between imperial and metric modes, just press and hold the button. The PREXISO Pen Laser P10 is perfect for builders, real estate agents, surveyors, flooring specialists and decorators, just to mention a few.